So, let's raise our voices, cheer for our candidates, and create an atmosphere filled with positivity and pride as we celebrate the remarkable women who aspire to wear the crown and prevail as this year's Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2025. Join us for a night of grand spectacle and unity as we revel in the beauty of Laoag City. This is Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2025 Coronation Night. Good evening, Laoag City. As we commence this splendid celebration of beauty and grandeur, let us first invoke the presence of our Almighty God, the foundation of our hope and strength, through a doxology to be rendered to us by the Coro Laoagenyo, the official choral group of the city government of Laoag.